Hello from Boutique Beach in the Maldives. We are very excited today to announce that we are building a new dive boat for our business, BB Dive. The hull was constructed in South Ari Atoll and towed to Dhigurah by our captain, Ibe. The boat was then hauled up the beach into the boatyard using very traditional methods of a winch and logs. Even huge boats like this can easily be pulled up onto the beach using these methods which have been used for hundreds of years. The boat, as you can see, is a very large boat, nearly 2 meters wider and 2 meters longer than the boat that we currently have. The engine is currently on its way from Sri Lanka and hope to arrive pretty soon. We will cut journey times to Manta Point by nearly half an hour. So we're very excited that that's going to have some really good results for our guests. We will be keeping you updated over the next weeks and months, and we hope the boat will be in action in September. We are sending you all big hugs from our BB team and hope that we will see you really soon.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe.